Python libraries which are used for data science. Python has a rich ecosystem of libraries for data science. Here are some of the most commonly used ones. First is NumPy, a library for numerical computing with Python. It provides powerful tool for working with arrays and matrices and is a foundation for many other data science library. Second is Panda, a library for data manipulation and analysis. It provides powerful data structures such as data frames and tools for working with structured data. Third is Matplotlib, a library for data visualization. It provides tools for creating wide range of plots and charts from basic line plots to advanced 3D visualization. Fourth is Seaborn, a library for statistical data visualization. It is built on top of Matplotlib and provides a higher level interface for creating attractive and informative visualization. Next is Scikit-learn, a library for machine learning. It provides a wide range of tools for data pre-processing, feature selection, model selection and evaluation, as well as many popular machine learning algorithms. Next is TensorFlow, a library for machine learning and deep learning. It provides tools for creating and training neural network as well as pre-built model for common tasks. Next is Keras, a high-level neural network API written in Python and capable of running on top of TensorFlow, Thano, or CNTK. It is designed to enable faster experimentation and deep neural networks. Next is PyTorch, a library for machine learning and deep learning. It provides a dynamic computational graph, making it easy to experiment with different model architecture. Stats model, a library for statistical modeling. It provides a wide range of statistical models for linear regression to time series analysis. Next is NetworkX, a library for network analysis. It provides tools for working with graph and network and is commonly used in social network analysis and bioinformatics. Thank you.